You're going over.
This is amazing. So what's on this roll? What's on the Villanova
inside the roll is
You writing this?
okay, this is a zero-calorie, non-alcoholic Japanese beer.
Japanese beer?
That's correct.
So non-alcoholic Japanese
Non-alcoholic is a completely zero, and then the way they promote is a all free, meaning everything is free. Zero calories, zero sugar, everything is zero. Right? You said here, sparkling malt and hops beverage. Enjoy, bro.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Oh man, it doesn't mention all this kind of weather. This is the perfect thing.
Here we go.
Yep.
It's refreshing.
Very.
It's refreshing.
Very.
It's refreshing.
Very.
If this is what beer is, I can drink it.
And then bring me one Japanese cold coffee. I want Daryl to try it.
Okay.
Thank you for your hospitality.
Oh
too,
man, this is your home. You can do whatever you want. It's one of the biggest coffee manufacturer in Japan also, called UCC Coffee.
Okay.
It's one of the first since 1969.
Jeez.
It's one of the first coffee manufacturer serving cold in the can from Japan.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want you to try also.
Thank you.
This one is here. I keep this one, and then we can drink together, bro. I drink 5 cans every day. Right? And then now we have a cheers little bit.
I like this. I like that.
It's not that
crisp.
sweet.
It's crisp.
Crisp,
Yeah.
but you can tell this is a quality coffee.
It's as good as Starbucks Frappuccino.
Oh, summer. He moved back to LA. Oh my gosh. So what do we have here?
Okay, the one in the middle is, we call it Nova roll.
The Villanova roll?
Yes, which is we have all the state name and university name, and then one day it's a Villanova student and professor coming. They say, "Where is my roll?" And then here we go, the Villanova coming to play, because we update the menu every single time.
I like that.
Yes.
Hold on, quick. Did they tell you?
Say again.
Did they tell you?
When they come in, they say, "I see all the name. Where is Villanova?"
No. They tell you about Villanova. Y'all know I went to Villanova.
Oh, you went to Villanova?
I'm not joking. Hold on.
Bro, look at this. This is meant to be, man. This is one of the popular and the best roll we selling, bro.
I'm not.
Look at
And you went for basketball?
Yeah.
you, the man. Huh? I don't know, bro. If you're Villanova.
You're going over.
This is amazing. So what's on this roll? What's on the Villanova
inside
roll?
the roll is spicy salmon.
Okay.
With a crunch to make it nice and crunch.
Okay.
And then we do like this, so this way everything will be nice and easy. And then on the top, the one makes so unique because we cover with the salmon.
Okay.
But after we cover with the salmon, we put the black peppers.
Yeah.
After we put the black pepper, and then we put a little bit for the Japanese dressing, and then we torch it. So if you see it, it's little bit burnt. This is to make the smell or to make the flavor pop up.
I like that.
And then after that, when we finish, we glaze again. We final glaze with the Japanese wasabi dressing. Yeah. Now it's all yours, bro. Now it's all yours. And then this one is of course regular California roll.
Okay.
But one thing also about the crab stick, everything thinking is a crab stick, but crab stick have a quality also.
Yes.
If you eat whatever crab stick, you don't feel quite like this. But you have eat the quality crab stick is completely different.
So how do you know quality crab stick versus
when
that
you
one?
eat it, you can feel
You
it.
gotta know it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try this first. We always start off with the California roll.
Yep.
I see what you mean with the crab stick.
Yes.
So it's fresh.
Yeah.
The avocado was there. The cucumber's not like overpowering.
That's correct. Yep. I think right?
Freshness, 5 out of 5 stars.
Yep.
Saltiness, 5 out of 5 stars. Because right there, like you don't want sushi to be too salty. You know this.
That's right.
But it being like this is perfect.
Yep, because if sushi too salty, basically you just eat soy sauce.
Yeah, exactly. I love that. I love that.
Yep.
I gotta try the pumpkin.
Yes.
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic. Yeah, there you go, bro. Non-alcoholic.
The Villanova roll.
Yeah, the signature roll called Villanova.
Signature roll. First, I got it ready. So, freshness, 5 out of 5. Saltiness, 5 out of 5. Overall appearance, 5 out of 5 on the California roll. It's just, it's great. The overall taste, 5 out of 5. So thank you. The Villanova roll.
Yeah.
And he didn't even know I was Nova.
Exactly.
My man, my bad.
And then this one, you don't need to put the soy sauce. Why? Because it's already saucy.
Yeah, it's on top.
You don't want to overkill it.
Yeah.
And then you just taste soy sauce.
Okay.
Different, bro. You get
It's
a smoky
good.
flavor. You got a burnt taste wasabi dressing.
I see what you mean, like with the burnt taste.
Yes.
But it's not like burnt. It's just a little crisp.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
This is good. I mean, do I have to say it 5 out of 5? This is great, man.
Yep.
This is great. So the Villanova roll, you can see, great. Got that little bit of crystal on top. You know what I mean? With the pepper. It's just amazing, man. I love how, like, you taste every flavor progressively.
That's right.
Progressively.
The seat for you, honey. Yeah. You come back tomorrow, right? For sure, right?
Blue sushi.
Blue sushi.
You know what I mean?
10 and
Yes.
spruce.
Get the Villanova roll.
Yes.
The Villanova roll.
Yeah. And then you meet this handsome guy. Right? That's the most important. Right? I got you, honey. Yes. Yep.
Thank you. That is definitely not getting cut out.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is not a category, but just hospitality. Like, in all seriousness, thank y'all. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you came out here, just sitting with us. I understand y'all family, so thank y'all for that.
Thank you.
5 out of 5. Just added a category for that.
Thank you.
Overall taste is just, it's there. And I'm amazed that this is the Villanova roll, man. This is perfect.
And it's our most popular roll.
It really is?
Yes.
Everybody.
Everybody.
So what's the temple roll like?
The temple
Wesley? Yeah, what's the temple roll like?
Yeah.
Wesley's a temple guy.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, my Robert, we have a temple roll as well. It's the same popular as Villanova. The only different inside is a spicy yellowtail with a crunch, but on the top is a super white tuna.
Okay.
And then we put the black pepper as well, and then we torch it, and then finish glaze with the Japanese wasabi dressing. Yes.
So what's your favorite roll?
My favorite one, believe it or not, is a Villanova. Because I love to eat salmon, bro. I love salmon, but this one salmon going to the next level.
Yes.
It's different. It doesn't mention, if you know, my salmon preparation is completely different with other restaurants. Which
How
is
so?
I do a lot of process.
Sorry, I don't want to ask your secrets. I know.
I don't mind to share the secret.
Okay.
Because I want you, when you eat salmon here in BLEUsushi, you just think this is the safest, and then the greatest, and then doesn't mention the deliciousness.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Blue Sushi over here on 10th and Spruce. It's the best place I've tried. Thank you, man. Thank you. It's in Philly.
Anytime.
I needed the one to be in Philly, so thank you.
That's right.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
right.
Stay tuned with everything they got going on.
Yeah.
So they got the contactless robot giving you the sushi. Great sushi flavors. If you're a Philly person, a Big 5 person, they got your school on here. If you're a Villanova person especially, they got you. The outside seating is great. And the manager and owner is a great person, man. So thank you.
Anytime there. I appreciate it today. You